Go to create and select the front plane, select a line, make a line here with 90 millimeters. Now make this sketch, then we will put the dimensions, okay? Go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 3 millimeters. The distance between these 2 points here is 2.5 millimeters. Let's move this here. The distance between this point and this point here is 40 millimeters. The angle between these two lines here is 30 degrees. The distance here between these two lines is 5 millimeters. The angle here is 45 degrees. And the distance here between these two lines here is 28 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in this point and this point here. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two lines here is 3.75 millimeters. Press OK. We have this sketch. Finish the sketch and go to Revolve. The profile is this profile and the axis is this line here. Operation new body, the angle 360 and press OK. We have this. Now go to offset plane, select this plane here, and now click here in this head here, okay? Make a plane with minus 85 millimeters, press OK. Go to create, select coil, select this plane here, click here in the center, make a coil here with 10 millimeters. Okay. Now go to type here, revolution and pitch, diameter 10 millimeters, revolution 40. The pitch here 1 millimeters. The section here is triangular, internal, okay. And the section size is 1.5 millimeters. Operation cut, press OK. And change the side of revolution here, okay? I forgot this to rotate to this side here. And press OK. Now go to, we have this, go to extrude, select this face here, make a cut this, just drag this to minus 10 millimeters, minus 7, okay, press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to fillet, select this edge here, the fillet here is 0.09 millimeters. And go to add selection set, select this profile here, the fillet here is 0.9 millimeters, and press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to create a sketch and select the right plane again. Select 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle here with 30 millimeters by 3.5. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point here and this point is 4.5 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in this point and the midpoint here. Go to fillet, make a fillet here with 2 millimeters of radius. And finish the sketch and go to extrude. The direction symmetric, the extended type all, operation cut, press OK. We made this. Now go to create, select a pattern, circular pattern. The object type features, the object, the last cut we make here, and the axis, this axis here. Quantity for distribution full, press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to create and select the right plane again. It can hide this body. Select line. Make a line here with 31 millimeters. And go to create, select arc, 3-point arc. Make an arc here. Tangent with this line, okay? The radius here is 18.2 millimeters. Okay. Show the sketch one here. And go to constraints, select horizontal vertical. Click in this point and this point here. Okay. Now go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line here and the midpoint is 7.5 millimeters. Okay. We have this sketch here, okay. Finish the sketch. Now go to offset plane, right plane, minus 90 millimeters. Go to create a sketch, select this new plane. We can hide the sketch 1 and sketch 6. Now select the pitch point spline. 1 point here, 1 point here, and 1 point here. Press enter. Okay. Select line. Make a line between these 2 points here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 7 millimeters, 7.3, sorry. Okay. The distance between this point here and this point is 4.99 millimeters. The distance between this point here and the midpoint is 1.68 millimeters. And the distance between this point here and the midpoint is 2.04 millimeters. The distance here between these 2 points is 2.43 millimeters. And the distance between this point here and this point here is 6.86 millimeters. We have this sketch. Finish this. Show the sketch 6. Show the body. We have this. Go to create and select sweep. The profile is this profile and the path is this line here. Operation cut. Press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to create, select the pattern, circular pattern. The object type features and the object will be the sweep. The axis, you can click in any circular face here. Quantity 3, press OK. We have this, okay. Now select fillet. Click here in this add here, the fillet here 1 millimeters and press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to offset plane, select the top plane here, make a plane to this side minus 0.3 millimeters. Okay. Click with the right button here, create a sketch in this plane. Go here, make a line, construction line from the midpoint here, 90 millimeters of distance. Press OK. Select a rectangle. Make a rectangle here. Okay. The distance between this point here and this point is 2.9 millimeters. The distance between this point here is 4.5. The distance between this point here and the midpoint here is, sort of remove this constraint here. Okay. The distance between these 2 points here is 5.5 millimeters. Okay. And the distance between these 2 points here is 20 millimeters. We have this. Okay. Now finish the sketch and go to Revolve. The profile is this sketch here. Okay. The axis is this construction line. The operation cut, extended type partial angle 70 degrees. Let's see if it's correct. Okay. Finish the sketch. We have this. Okay. Now go to create selected pattern, circular pattern. The feature will be this revolve. The axis, click here in any circular face. The quantity is 3, distribution full, press OK. We have this, okay. And now go to create a sketch, select the right plane. Go to create, select text. Make a rectangle here, okay. And here we write dormer M10x1.5. The height here is 1.5 millimeters. Alignment center and center here. Press OK. And finish the sketch. Go to create and select emboss. The sketch profile is this, and the face, this face here. The dip 0.08 millimeter effect the boss. Press OK. We have this, okay. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and bye bye.